sun blazes fiercely, a small, dark fruit emerges, offering a sweet respite from the heat. This is the jamun, also known as Java plum, black plum, or jambalan. This humble fruit, native to the Indian subcontinent, is a treasure trove of flavor, nutrition, and cultural significance. The fruit itself is a sight to behold, with its deep purple skin deepening to almost black when perfectly ripe. Its taste is a delightful mix of sweet, tart, and slightly astringent. Jamun holds a special place in Indian culture and mythology. Often associated with Lord Krishna, its deep purple hue is said to symbolize divine love and devotion. In Hindu mythology, the jamun tree is considered sacred, and during the summer months, street vendors with carts laden with these juicy fruits become a common sight. Introduced to other parts of the world by ancient travelers and traders, it found fertile ground in Southeast Asia, Africa, and the Americas. Beneath its unassuming exterior, the jamun is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that offer a wide range of health benefits. Low in calories and fat, it's an ideal snack for those looking for a guilt-free indulgence. One of the most notable features of jamun is its high fiber content, which aids digestion, promotes gut health, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. It's also a good source of energy, providing a steady release of glucose, making it an excellent choice for a quick pick-me-up. The deep purple color of jamun is a testament to its rich antioxidant content. These antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, play a crucial role in protecting the body from damage caused by free radicals, harmful molecules that can contribute to various diseases. Part 4. Tiny treasures. Big benefits. Jamun is a good source of essential vitamins, each playing a vital role in maintaining overall health and well-being. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant, boosts the immune system, protects against infections, and promotes healthy skin. It also aids in the absorption of iron, an essential mineral for oxygen transport in the body. Vitamin A, essential for good vision, also supports cell growth and development. It plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy skin, teeth, and bones. Thiamine, also known as vitamin B1, is crucial for energy production, nerve function, and carbohydrate metabolism. It helps convert food into energy, keeping you feeling energized throughout the day. Riboflavin, or vitamin B2, is essential for growth and development, red blood cell production, and energy metabolism. It also helps break down fats, carbohydrates, and proteins, converting them into energy. Part 5. Powerful minerals. Jamun's hidden strength. In addition to vitamins, jamun boasts an impressive mineral profile, contributing to its numerous health benefits. Potassium, an essential mineral and electrolyte, plays a vital role in maintaining fluid balance, regulating blood pressure, and supporting muscle function. It also helps transmit nerve impulses, aiding in proper muscle contraction. Iron, crucial for red blood cell production, is necessary for carrying oxygen throughout the body. It plays a vital role in energy production, cognitive function, and immune health. Calcium, the most abundant mineral in the body, is essential for strong bones and teeth. It also plays a crucial role in muscle function, nerve transmission, and blood clotting. Magnesium, involved in over 300 bodily processes, is essential for muscle and nerve function, blood sugar control, and blood pressure regulation. It also contributes to energy production and DNA synthesis. Part 6. Health benefits. From ancient wisdom to modern science. For centuries, jamun has been revered in traditional medicine for its numerous health benefits, many of which are now being validated by modern science. Its astringent properties make it an effective remedy for diarrhea and dysentery. The fruit's high fiber content helps regulate bowel movements, while its antibacterial properties combat infection-causing microbes. Jamun has long been used to manage diabetes, and studies have shown that it can help regulate blood sugar levels. Its low glycemic index prevents rapid spikes in blood sugar after meals, while its bioactive compounds enhance insulin sensitivity. The fruit's antioxidant properties have also been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. Antioxidants protect against oxidative stress by neutralizing harmful free radicals, a significant contributor to heart disease, which can damage blood vessels and cells. Part 7. Culinary uses beyond the fruit itself. While the fruit of the jamun is a delightful treat on its own, its culinary uses extend far beyond simply enjoying it fresh. Its unique flavor profile lends itself to a variety of dishes, both sweet and savory. In India, jamun is often used to make refreshing drinks like sherbet and juice. Its tartness is balanced with sugar or honey, creating a thirst-quenching beverage perfect for hot summer days. The fruit can also be transformed into delectable desserts. Jamun jams, jellies, and preserves capture the fruit's essence, its sweetness enhanced with a hint of spice. Jamun vinegar, made from fermented jamun juice, is a popular condiment in Southeast Asia. Its tart, slightly sweet flavor adds a unique dimension to salads, marinades, and sauces. Part 8. Cultivating jamun. A rewarding endeavor. Cultivating jamun can be a rewarding endeavor, allowing you to enjoy the fruits of your labor right from your backyard. These resilient trees are relatively easy to grow, requiring minimal care once established. Jamun trees thrive in tropical and subtropical climates, preferring full sun to partial shade. They are adaptable to a variety of soils, but prefer well-drained soil with a slightly acidic to neutral pH. Propagation is typically done through seeds, which germinate readily. They should be watered regularly and protected from frost until the seedlings are well established. Once established, jamun trees require minimal care. Regular watering during dry spells and occasional pruning to maintain shape and remove dead or diseased branches are usually sufficient. Part 9. Conclusion: a fruit worth savoring. The jamun, with its deep purple hue and sweet tart flavor, is much more than just a summer fruit. It is a symbol of culture, a source of nutrition, and a testament to nature's bounty. From its ancient roots in the Indian subcontinent to its global journey, the jamun has captured the hearts and palates of people worldwide. Its nutritional value, diverse culinary uses, and ease of cultivation make it a fruit that is both delicious and cherished. As we bite into a juicy jamun, we are experiencing not just its unique flavor, but also connecting with a rich history and legacy of health and well-being.